Hello everyone, myself Samruddhi Gopichand Hire from Standard 10. My school name is Tikyarij Vidyalay Nimgon, Taluka Malegaon, District Nasik. I want to give speech on how can social organizations come together to expose the mental and physical abuse against the women in Maharashtra. Firstly, I want to say some lines in Hindi about those coward men who abuse the women. हाथ उठाते औरत पर तुम खुद को मर्द समझते हो। हाथ उठाते औरत पर तुम खुद को मर्द समझते हो। अगर ये निशानी है मर्द की तो गलत समझते हो। अगर ये निशानी है मर्द की तो गलत समझते हो। अपनी कमजोरी के छुपाने के खातिर तुम उस पर जुल्म करते हो। अपनी कमजोरी को छुपाने के खातिर तुम उस पर जुल्म करते हो। अपना हक जताने के लिए तुम उसको दर्द देते हो। कमजोर हो कायर हो। तुम कमजोर हो कायर हो जो तुम खुद को मर्द कहते हो। जो तुम खुद को मर्द कहते हो। I feel shame on that men who abuse the women in Maharashtra and all over India. Then I want to give short explanation on what is physical and mental abuse against the women in Maharashtra. Physical abuse is a non-accidental physical injury to the woman includes striking, beating, burning, kicking, etc. Like that physical abuse happens to the women in Maharashtra. Second one is mental abuse. Mental abuse is caused to the women to feel insulted in their house, in surrounding, anywhere. That mental abuse happens to the women in Maharashtra. In recent years, the physical and mental abuse has emerged as an important social problem in Maharashtra. But the main fact was that how can social organizations come together to expose the physical and mental abuse against the women in Maharashtra? Then what we have to do to stop the violence against the women? We have to do restriction on alcohol. Second one is control the social media like porn videos and sexual material should be banned. Third one is include the public awareness, and we have to teach the lessons to the next generation about violence to change their thinking, and give the toughest punishment to that peoples and to the men who abuse the women in Maharashtra. Then I would like to say some lines to that women who have here to say about violence that happens to them. अत्याचार बहुत हुआ अत्याचार बहुत हुआ देवी, अब तुम सहन करना छोड़ दो। अत्याचार बहुत हुआ देवी, अब तुम सहन करना छोड़ दो। तुम में हुनर बहुत है, तुम खुद को कमज़ोर कहना छोड़ दो। तुम में हुनर बहुत है, तुम खुद को कमज़ोर कहना छोड़ दो। Don't speak about violence if you happen in your house, in surrounding, in anywhere. At last of my speech, I would like to say no violence to the women. Thank you.